Hi, what's up friends? Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video from the Xtutorials.
Hi guys, what's up and welcome to Xtutorials. Guys, make sure to subscribe before you start the video so that you can watch each and every video we upload in future. So guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to find out any Wi-Fi password. But there's a condition guys. The condition is that the Wi-Fi must be connected to your device. You have to follow these instructions so that you can come up to know what's the password of your Wi-Fi. So guys, let's start the tutorial. So guys, here is the Wi-Fi icon and this will be available in everyone's PC, I believe. So what you have to do is right click on this button. When you right click on this button, there will be two options and you have to select the second one which says Open Network Internet Settings. Let me click this option, and when you open this option, when you click on this option, this page will come up and below you can see the second last line, Network and Sharing Center. What you have to do is click on this option. After clicking on this option, this page will appear, and here where I am pointing the arrow mark, here will be written Wi-Fi and the particular Wi-Fi's name. As my Wi-Fi's name is Viewfinder, so here it is. So when you click on this small box will appear which reads Wi-Fi status. What you have to do is you have to click on the wireless properties which I am pointing on. When you click on this, again a box will appear and show this page. In this page we are in the connection page and there's one more page called security. What you have to do is click on this page and here it is. This is your password guys, and what you have to do if you want to see this is below it will be written show characters. You have to click on this. When you click on this, here is your password. This is my password guys, and when you click on this it will show your password. So here it is. This is how you find a Wi-Fi password, but the condition is that the Wi-Fi must be connected to your device. And thank you for joining us.